So I'm still working on Comfortmaker model number N9MPD100J14A2. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to remove the blower compartment, okay, and also how to remove the wiring from the control board. Excuse the mess. I have different videos, but at some point I had to remove all this wiring. In your home, it's going to be different. Everything will be perfectly in the place, but just because I'm doing demo on this one, so it's all messed up. But in the meantime, just pay attention to the how to remove the housing, okay? And basically there are two screws here. I already removed them. So you know, these are the only screws that mount the whole housing. And basically when you remove the wires, in my case I remove them, I know how to put them back, but in your case what you can do, I will show you one way to remove only the control board assembly, and you move it on the side or you move it up here. Somebody can hold it for you and you can slide this thing out, okay? So basically there are two ways you can do. You can remove all the wiring. If you know how to put them back, it's going to be more complicated for you and the whole thing comes off. Or you can just remove the wiring of the blower, that's all. And then what you can do, this bracket comes off and you go on this, you put it on the side, and the control board, the housing can come off. So in my case, I don't care because I already did it. I'm gonna just remove all the wires and I will show you how. Okay, so basically the transformer, you keep them because they're staying with the control board. Now I'm gonna turn off the power. Always make sure, please, to turn power off before you do anything. So basically all these I can remove them, and again, you don't have to do my way. As I told you, what you can do, just remove the wires of the control board and this can take off. Otherwise, you know, you can keep them here if everything stay in here. So this is the power. I have another previous video show you how we disconnect and connect everything. So now the housing, it's free on its own. So I can remove all these wires, put them somewhere here. Again, I'm doing this because I'm already ready for it. You don't have to remove all the wires. Basically, you can slide this out like this. And then again, there's one screw here and two screws. You can remove the whole bracket and somebody can hold it for you, okay? But I didn't do that way because I am about to also scrap this whole thing. Okay, so now this is ready to go. See, everything is ready. So the housing is free now. Again, I didn't have to remove this. I removed it just to tell you how. But eventually when you remove the blower, we have to remove them. So this is ready to go. So I will show you how you take it out. And then I will show you how to put it back. Okay, so basically, this comes off. There's like it's like a drawer. You know how the drawer has a rail and it slides out. That's easy. Of course, it's not going to be easy like that. Usually the furnace is on the floor. You have to go on your knees and stuff. But here it's easy because I'm doing the demo. Okay, so this comes off. The whole housing comes off. And as you see, I'm going to show you the groove I'm talking about where the housing will slide in, okay? So basically, see here, these are where the rail comes. And then if you look here, you see it. See, this is the groove, right? So basically, you have to try to put them here. They hang, and you can push it all the way. And then that's how we do it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it back in a minute. So you know, okay? So other thing is you have to push it all the way. If you feel it's not going all the way, most likely you might have missed one of these rails. I'm trying to put this guy here somewhere. It keep hanging. I hate it. Anyway, so yeah, this is the ground we needed for the operation. I'm gonna remove it now temporarily, and now we're good. So remember, you have to match both of them, and I will show you how. Basically, you hold like this and you go like this, and then you try to match them into the rail. So that's how you push it. Okay, and then you have two screws. In your furnace, you might see a small steel piece here. I already removed it, but you're gonna have a steel piece here, and then you're gonna have the safety switch here. Just so you know, because I have been doing so many videos on this furnace, and everything is taken apart. Okay, so that's how you do it. And also remember about the control board. We did a video about it already, but if you want to remove it, there's only one screw here, and that's how you remove the whole control board comes off. And always if you have a problem with the control board and you believe maybe the control board has a problem, always remove this, because you're most likely gonna see something popped, something burned. You're gonna see like a black dot in here. So watch all these connection, they are soldered really good. And if you see anything popped, that will help you to determine this is bad. Because again, I was telling all these video when control board is bad. So if you know there's something wrong with the control board, just look with the naked eye, make sure it's all good. So the next video I'm going to show you how to take this out and remove the whole blower motor and put it back. Thanks for your time.